Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We will continue our series on Mesh by Amazon niche. In the previous videos, we discussed about how to find best niches. From these niches, we selected one, and that was the gaming niche. I showed you how to do the keyword research for a saturated niche like the gaming niche. So if you didn't get a chance to watch the other videos, please go back when you finish this one. I will link them in the description below.
Get strong.
So the code that we selected was I love video games and maybe 3 people. At the time of doing this video, it was a code that was not trademarked. So this is the one we're gonna use. And the keyword that we were able to gather for our first question, who is this design for, was video game lover, etc. As you can notice, a few one are in green. These are the ones that when I tap them in the search bar, I can see that we have a search for them. For example, if I copy video game here and I go to Amazon and I type in fan, as you can see, we have a search for this one. Okay. And so these are the ones that I highlighted here in green. And even if sometime I was not able to find them on Amazon, I kept a few found one that I was able to find on Google. Okay, because in Google as well, as I already told you in the previous video, when you go to Google, it's gonna be important for us as well to have like keywords. For example, even find here, we can see video games find here, so that our listing can rank on Amazon as well as Google. Okay, this is very important. The keywords here in this list, that was the answer of our question, how the people are gonna find our listing. These are the keywords here that were under 500. Okay, but from this list again, I searched and I found that okay, these three are the one that we're gonna use in our listing. Okay, because I find out that the other one can be themselves be used as a design. For example, I can hear you. I'm gaming. If you are in the Mesh by Amazon seller, you know that this is a well-known design. Okay, and I see that there is a lot of keywords. So these three, definitely we can definitely use them. A day without video game can be used directly, like in the code. You can, for example, you can say you can spend a day without video games. This is something that you can do, that you can write in your listing. So I decided that for today it's gonna be good that to go and create a design. And for those that follow me, thank you very much. And if you are not following me yet, please like, comment, and subscribe. My favorite tool in terms of design is Placeit. Okay, this is a well-known website for designer. It's when you are not a very good designer, but you are looking for templates ready to use. This is well said here. You can go in there and do it. So what I'll do, I click on the design here and go to the t-shirt design. With t-shirt design, I go down here and I'm gonna look for to see if they have any category in terms of gaming, and we can see that they have gaming here. They have 250 templates of gaming. So I'm gonna look in there and try to find something that I like. I kind of like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it and we're gonna wait for it to make its stuff. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll change the background because I want my t-shirt, my design to be good on black t-shirt. I'll move this one up. Okay, and I'm gonna change the text here. I'm gonna say I like. Okay, I think it's gonna be bigger like that. And then on the next one, I'm gonna say video games. I like video games. And I'm gonna add another text. And that's say, and maybe 3 people. I'm gonna move it down. And this quote is DP Comic. I'm gonna change here to find the font. They call it DP Comic. Do we have it here? Usually it's in order, so I can find this one. I'm gonna type in here DP Comic, and this is the one here. So I like video game and maybe 3 people. I'm gonna center it. Oops. Video game, we're gonna center it. I'm gonna center it. This one as well, center it. So I'm gonna enlarge it a bit. I think I'm gonna enlarge it a bit. Yeah, to have it bigger. So move it here. I like. I'll make it bigger. Video games, I like it that way. And maybe 3 people. I'm gonna change the color here. The text color, I'm gonna put it in black, and the text background, I'm gonna do it in white. Okay, and I think that should be good like that. So I like video games and maybe 3 people. So easy like that. Here is my design, and I can now remove the background. I go to the right here, I'll remove the background, and I'm gonna export it. So I click on download and wait for it to make its thing. I will click on all download because I want it to be on Mesh by Amazon size. So I click here, I click on this arrow, crop resize. Go to the bottom, 4,500 and 5,400. This is good. I'm gonna download it. So easy like that. Here's my design that I can directly upload to Amazon. So just like that, now you select your color. Look at that, guys. I kind of like this design. What do you think? Comment below what do you think of this design. And that's it for today. Thank you for your time. Please consider like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell if you find any value on this video.